Wanted to show you what the bus looks like now that we've got it home and we've had it checked out. We're going to do a quick walk around and just give you guys an idea of what the bus looks like before we get to work on it, and that way we can show you an after video as well. Try and do a video diary thing. So the outside, I've turned the flashers on so you can see that it's really cool that it still works like a school bus. We got the illuminated sign, which we're going to have to take down in order to make it legal. We have to change the flashy lights out as well. And we, what was that, Savannah?
And this is lighting up.
That's right. We're gonna have to change the color of the bus. It can't stay in its yellow form or yellow color. And we specifically bought the bus that has the storage lockers underneath so that we have room for all of our things. That's the outside of our bus. All the markers work on the bus around the outside, and the bus is overall in really good shape. We're going to need to replace the back tires, but the front tires are still really good. And again, I'm really excited about all the storage lockers underneath the bus. That's going to give us a lot of room to put some of our things. All the windows are in good shape, and we are very pleasantly surprised that the school district have paid to have the windows deep tinted. That'll help us out for keeping heat out of the bus in the summer. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, on the inside of the bus, we've got some things that are going to need to be touched up. It's in decent shape, but there is definitely some wear and tear. It's a 2000, so it's been in service for quite a long time, and it really needs to be deep cleaned. So we're going to take the ceiling panels out of here and the side panels out of the bus so we can replace the insulation that's inside of that, and then we're going to put spray and insulation down and put birch 1/4-inch plywood around the bus. And the floor, we need to take the seats out. And the first step after we take the seats out is to rip all this rubberized flooring out, then the plywood underneath, and get down to the metal so that we can seal the metal and prevent rust. But it is an 84-passenger bus, so there are 48 rows of seats that need to come out. And we don't plan to air condition the bus. We're just going to put ceiling fans inside of the emergency hatches. And we'll head south in the winter, and we'll head north in the summer, and do propane heat for the interior of the bus for the cold months. When we bought the bus, we inherited all this extra foam. It was like, here, you throw this away. So that's just one more trip to the dump for us to get rid of these old seat paddings that they left in the bus for us. In the back, we're going to build a security closet, or I guess like a storage closet about 3 foot deep into the back of this bus that's only accessible by the emergency door in the back. So today I did disconnect the emergency alarm so we can open that back door without the alarm going off. But all the inside lights work. They're off right now. And the bus runs amazing. We just had it serviced and it came back in wonderful condition. So we are ready to start the process of building out the interior of the bus, but deconstruction comes first. And as you would expect, it's pretty gross in here. 20 years worth of snotty-nosed children have really taken a toll on the interior of the bus. So fortunately, we're gutting everything out of it so that we can go back to just the bare metal and clean it out completely. But that is the inside of the bus. If you guys have any comments or suggestions for future videos, if you could go ahead and leave that in the comments section. And anything that you think would be a cool idea for decorating on the inside of the bus. We are going to have rooms in the back. We're going to do a bedroom. There will be a shower and a composting toilet. There will be a kitchen area, 2 set of bunk beds, a desk, and lots of storage, even a washer and dryer in here when we're done. So keep checking out our videos, and as we make progress, we'll show that progress in video form, and you guys can keep up with the improvements that we're making to the bus before we get out on the road. Thank you so much.
Are you having fun?
Uh-huh.
What are you doing?
Jumping on these. It's so much fun. It's so bouncy. Boing, boing. Boing. Boing, boing, boing. Boing. It's so much fun. So boring. I could do this all day.